on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Ron and this is MotoTube. If you're stopping by for the first time, make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button, turn your notification bell on, and join the family. So today we got a pretty cool video. So we're about to head to a friend's shop. So we got invited. He said there's like about 20 cars there. So we're gonna head out, gonna meet up Anthony, and then we're gonna head there. So right now we're about to turn the car on, and then we're gonna head out and have a beautiful day. The car is cleaned up. Of course, it's always clean. So we're gonna give it a start and then head out. Alright, check this Ford truck over here. I never really showed you guys in detail, but I'm gonna show you guys everything about it. These are the wheel and tire setup. Look how big it is. It's huge. Super Duty. Okay, as you guys can see, you have to be like 6'10" to even get in this, but let's try to get in there. This is the inside, nothing too fancy, but look at the drop. Look at this. What do you guys like this truck or no? Should I review this truck? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. We got the ship. The yacht is coming out. Alright guys, we are headed to Woodward right now, and actually we're headed to the shop that I told you guys about earlier. We're bringing out the Demon, the Hellcat, and this Hellcat, so let's go! We got the Demon, Hellcat, big truck. Alright guys, we just pulled over real quick. Let me show you guys the cars. Big truck, the Hellcat, and check out this Viper. Look at that. This is a sick Viper. Wow. All Mopars except that Ford in the back. We got an Evo on full slicks. Look at that. The wheel setup is sick. Wow. It's a nice wheel setup. Yeah, what do you guys think? It looks so mean and aggressive. Wow. So this is a pretty fast car. I don't know if the owner would let me discuss numbers, but man, this thing is making some numbers. Guys, check out this Audi. Wow. Look at the wheels on here. What was it, APR or whatever? Alright guys, so we just got here. Let me show you guys all the cars that are here. So we're meeting up here and then we're gonna roll around to Woodward. So of course we got the Demon. We got this bag. Shoot. You alright? I'm good. When did you pick that bag up? Got fast. Good. Truck. Trying to run me over? I'm about to go show you guys all the cars over there. Where's Mike and Anthony? Demon. Wow. I made it. Wow, look at that.
It's got the power band and the way the turbos come on.
All right, guys, check out this Evo. Supposedly making about. Sorry. Making like 9 to the wheels, I heard.
Yeah. You know what his name is?
Wow.
Yeah, front mount.
Look at that. This thing is sick. I know. I wanna see Steve do something with it. Wow.
Hybrid stuff too. Is it rear? I think the engine drives the rear, electric motors drive the
Alright guys, so we came to get ice cream. Anthony has my keys. He's gonna drive my Hellcat. But we came in the baby R8. Look at that. Now that's how you eat ice cream. I just got a donut though. The SS hit it.
Alright, you got it?
GTR. There's so many people here. What is this? Oh.
Going on the YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Everybody's gonna know this car doesn't have a turbo. Well, I definitely downplayed this car. I didn't even know it had all that. That's sick. Alright guys, the Chevy SS, which has a blower, cam, exhaust, everything. So it's making about 7 some to the wheels. We're gonna run it with my Hellcat, so let's see how that goes. I'm gonna put the tire pressure down to about 19, and then, you know, so we can hook. Just got the tire pressure down to 20 psi. Let me show you guys the Chevy SS. This is it versus the green Hellcat. The Chevy SS is getting ready. We got Tyler in the Durango. He's airing it down. Mine's already aired down. We're ready to go. So this car has cam, a blower, literally full bolt-ons. It's supposed to be like 7 wheel. That's all I know.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Alright guys, so as you can see, I beat that car. That car is making 700 plus wheels, so it has a blower, cam, exhaust. As you guys could hear, that thing was pretty fast, but there it goes. So I got the GoPro. I got the GoPro and a passenger video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was plenty of fun. getting a run with my car. It's literally like the end of the night and we just finally got a run. But anyways, I'm gonna let you guys here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up button. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next video. Love you guys. Peace.